McBrown's Kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello Ghana, hello Nanama McBrown. And that's so ya say she ewa McBrown's Kitchen. Ane McBrown's Kitchen na waje so ama me seden aduane pede. Aduane pede ampa. Ebusuafo ena ye hia die munim say ye be no aduane na ye di nkomo. Nanama metu me ka an sama ka cho say we ene kitchen show ba ko pe Ghana ha ebi ni be bia e wo ka mu be bia pe bia etimi ko. Ane McBrown's Kitchen no na waje so Ediane pede ampa. McBrown's Kitchen a high sense adaroma. High sense ye promotions because of World Cup yi ekoswe. Ya tete ye TV so say who ene amcom TV. Misrao ko showroom bia na kwajo de wate. High sense it is for you everyday prices for everyday people. And your microwave nie ansa na tasty tom. Enkola na say more jollof. And paying for Nadia tasty Tom instead of good for you. No, so say more jollof. Paso tomato mix back pair. And when you draw one fiber and the vitamins ashemuma, and it is good for you. Delay mackerel. Nampadom penium. Delay sardine. Peche like that. Delay say. So we say we tune the sardine and I will turn the sardine. No, do so poor. Was slow DM no. And now on Instagram, on Facebook, ubenya ne number. Freno na ona onye business wate. So nim say na delay mackerel no anu biari. And then a sardine. And sana Indomie instant noodles. There be yenche jaso. There be. But be abe no idea. Hey microwave mu. Ya be business sia e jaso ya be mire. Si makakre bi. And when you draw wom e mo frappe and pay for Indomie. Ghana for yediane ba kupa no Minazen food spices McBrown's Kitchen so hun nuane ayeye wa ha Minazen ka ho ene ma ne ye de spices ba kupa wodwa so a se wukodwa na wan tobia waye ho papa na ene so hwe me TV nchen ya na hwe so ho awake na da so no awake purified water awake ene she high sense fridge mu a me be yi bia no mi na me ka cho say Oyonko da no danti ta wake ma me wate no ma wake wonya wode no na wo say save obi ana wo save him because awake purified water ba ku bi abetobia no eyi so kakra de boa kwalebu cardio center yakoma wo ho ya ka cardio asemo ho akoma ya de boa ho na boa ye nyina na me ho asiesie de me trinwi de flavors paradise and de dom me flavors Nyame shamu sa ena Aligina makeover SE manim kama yi ene me ni crew bedidi a nyonyo gie chichi nyame shraw pa aduane de obi antime ngin fruit sam wo ya de woni me ye woni mte wo twese me hu ne me ka cho nyame shraw ena La Palm Royal Beach Hotel nyame shram apple pie publicity Madam was a person with them and billboards a hoodra moye mame. Na mama yentwa hu sesi amra. Na yemfa McBrown's Kitchen and hye so. And that dear, me se me pe. Ai McBrown. Me hu se me ra hoda na we dear. Ono ne battery ne hu o. Enti so sa. McBrown's Kitchen and the ane pe de. Me basisi a. Wo mabusi mo no. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pe bia ye ma mebusia no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti se vitamins and fiber. Yema nipadua no wo mu. When you ne chidie bio na mehwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom. Emediane yede. Eyema also.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let's here. I don't trust again to me shebi. High sense TV wo we. Yeah, let's share na ya share clear. 58th April, I copy World Cup na wie ye. High sense TV bia, size bia. Ya tete so ama wo say. Eno na waka no. Say, high sense dear, wo dia asemo. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Borrow high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show high sense TV so therefore. And TV ya what talk about 5 years warranty dear. High sense na dey buy you. Na da so chia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Mommy, me how? I don't know what was saying. Me that's fine. It's a band out here, Biani. Yeah, Baba, so you have been. Oh, I can say I mean, catch it up. Men are food spices. And none as is here, air tricking. Oba baby is so when you be whole kitchen. Say the baby will be to me kwajuku. What I say? Now I had that be over here. What did he? One way. Menazen jollof flavor. Menazen chicken flavor. Menazen fish flavor. Now the other devil. Any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazi food spices. What shema warrior man.
Mentanasi. Now will be new if it's with menazen. Any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Say ye kayen sabo mu a eno na ekire se ye baako eno na ekire se ye gina ho ye gitum ye kabom ye baako efri se yen sakabom mu a yen akoma enso akabom na se yakoma bobo mu a niama intimi nyeye tumi ye Awake purified drinking water bottle baku biara wo betono. Yedi sikando bibwa National Cardio Center. Ewo kolebu. Kasapreko Company Limited. Insano ejuma pa baku ni. Awake purified drinking water. One for life.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pede. Enne. Me se me pe, but me shia. Ghana for. Me semre. Emo fre twa Ghana he hia nyina. Wa akola bia nim no. Children's president, OPT1, the funny face, and ne, Miss Rokra, the basic kitchen. Mr. DJ, Mr. Mamma fast steps to be share. OPT1, yen name, funny face. Hey! Chicken.
Hello. I like it. Hello. Chicken,
Tashiba.
It is a man. Alongside Ghana's Michael Jackson, you know what it do, yeah.
And there's always raka.
Oh, the started.
Na say uchi wuti pemi bi.
Me just Jimmy man no me pemi but me team here to 2 years. You see now me joining footballers no.
Oh.
Say Adeba Asamaja munya me namfo.
Okay.
We are friends.
Okay.
But financially financially we are not friends. What I say, they make 10 billion a week. And I make that same money in like 20 years. You know.
Hey, say na no kan ka da nyame ase o.
10 billion no. Oh, I make it. I make it.
10 million. Okay, yeah. Possible.
My people me no to. First time me 2 years straight to me hairline and na wo. Enti when chance yeah, chance come when chance abrabo and show biasa and fansa me na mko yi sakora once na say me sakora and so we have bomb na
opete we use your film no.
You like it? I like it. You have no idea.
We are chill pa.
I like it well. I like which fit to sense. Oh, no wonder there are things chill well. I have some in the house. Yeah. Oh, you know I said I've done that.
Now me high sense here Juma.
Me too fine.
Utu kwa kakra.
Yeah, because
I just so quiet and to sanka mama.
Oh, yeah. But there are things chilled, like freezer.
No, my papa. I'm now why you wait there, Miss May drink. Miss May drink.
I like it.
Oh, yeah, may you drink.
Oh, this is a product from Casapreco.
Yes.
Yeah, I like it. I'm not here, Everado.
You say your company, I win it, and I am one show.
Yeah.
Because who be on my dear Krausru, but Casapreco, dear. A dear authentic name.
I like it.
Here will be beer. We not take Casapreco.
It is a them.
No matter pa.
It is a them.
It is a them. Casapreco, it is a them. Opete one. It is you.
Yeah.
My Empress McBrown.
It is you. Yeah. I think you should tell some of the young girls of Ghana today your secret to beauty.
Oh.
Evergreen.
Oh.
Beautiful lady.
Oh.
Young girls of today, 18, 19, everything fall. They look 98. I don't know. Every club you see them, every corner they. Oh God. This girl. They'll kill me.
Wait.
Oh, it's nice. I like it.
Yes.
It's sensor.
Yes. McBrown's kitchen, no.
Swag.
No, I just said Diana Ped.
Diana Ped.
Sir.
I like it.
Diana Ped.
Let me wash the inner cavity.
Ghana like for me, say me pure. Jane.
So, we have a female version.
What's the other no Diana Bay?
Yeah, but yeah. Anyway, telekum and patakum. Fried rice. What does another sapostingi? Sapo. That's the botanical name.
Well, I remember first one met me about this then.
Telekum and patakum.
Telekum and patakum.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
And the botanical name, sapostingi sapoa.
Yo, obete.
It is a yo.
Ingredients ben ya de baye. Telekum and patakum. Fried rice. Yambo boss way.
And we beef. And I we near chicken.
Okay.
And I we near eggs. Yeah, we ginger and garlic.
Yes.
When you see oil.
Yes.
And I'm soy sauce.
Soya sauce. Okay.
More kind of soya sauce.
And how can the soy sauce?
If you need kind of soy sauce.
Soy sauce, the soy sauce. Yeah.
And I'm a rice.
Okay. And more.
And I'm a spices.
Mina Zen food spices.
That's what's up. And I'm a Jenny, and I'm a
where spring onions.
Oh, me home kind of lettuce.
Say also. Spring onions and
carrots, and I'm a pepper.
Pepper. Fried rice.
Green pepper, big one, and a small one.
Okay.
Because fried when how do we call it? Shitoa, you can use the normal. Yes. And also you blend it. When you blend it, you can add it. It works like the pepper.
Oh, okay.
First and foremost, no.
Oh, okay.
You put the rice on fire.
Yes. Into your more first for telekum and patakum.
Yes.
Okay.
Whilst cooking the rice, no. You better try. You better chop chicken. No.
Okay. Hey, my master. Which me di mu we ma de ane. O se pe ho asam kan. De ntia me ya ma on say I to say wa ba me fie. Electrical ne ma no de ana me am pese.
Because one shock me say na.
Na opete. Enchine minim say mostly nkofo ye fried rice omo fanchine
ngu main rice ni okay. This is the reason. Me percent omunagasinya small taste kitwe bi.
Okay. And the fanchine dodo apeso de go.
Oh, kitwe bi.
Ebra.
Kitwe bi.
Any. Yes. Wow, telekum and patakum.
Yeah.
Ano nene.
AKA sapostingi sapoa.
Inti ka crave na apeso de go.
Na the other you know na. You think like this. You speak that's what you this skills gum. Do no enum. Yenum.
There be yem father dey.
Ana me sana me yame mo no.
And you be say.
I am father dey ntu. Oh, me dey anti na mo atwitwi.
Em father dey ntu pa cho.
Okay, mama sprinkle. I mean so how chia ho sa na man some taste.
O chia ho so e ma mo ni taste wo. Mate.
Me dey chicken no ebegu wenim.
Okay.
Wenim no akata so because me te rubber no.
Okay.
Say no why me dey chicken na gu musa no. I need to garnish it.
Okay.
I need to spice it.
You need to spice
I need to steam it.
You need to steam
I need to add flavor.
You need to add
I need to add sugum.
Oh, the sugum.
Bukum.
And the bukum.
And takum.
And the tagum. And
I
know my brother.
I don't know my bread. But flavors na make sure. Nice one.
And they say you be spicy chicken.
You be spicy chicken.
Okay, you say.
Meyi jene ni tu. Jene ni ya traso benya akese.
Okay. Inti they say you be twitwa jene ni nyama ben egu.
Obetwa jene no be yi tu. Meko no so obe yi su ni nyina. Luckily no unya say high sense we na ni we ni
blend.
You be blend. Ni we ni ya den. We ni so. It we say jene nsa so twitwa na kete utwa na akese obechemu 4.
Obechemu 4.
Ebeko we no ebeko. Ba you so blender blade ni nya din a esese o mane ya aketwa kakra.
O say aketwa kakra.
We ni blade no nya din.
We are no din. Yes me ba mu kakra so aka ho. Me ye den.
Obie o ba mu.
Me ba mu.
Obie mu. Ya obie
mu etwi oba wo ka say wo ba mu.
O ba mu.
Ba mu. Ba
mu. Cause wa ba mu e ba we mu. You say no you the what the garlic and ginger.
Okay. Into garlic, ginger, onion, and pepper. Yeah, blending near the ako.
Of course.
Chicken.
Aye.
All right. Mr. O, and then my blend there.
I blend there. Nice. Say no.
Yeah.
Do best team nam.
Okay. Okay. Into say no. Mr. Chicken. What do chicken that's just
yeah.
Into your band.
Oh, as I said, say I made chicken flavor. Egum.
Okay.
What as I said about mommy songs. Sukulut.
Fagum daddy watch her.
About some sukulut flavor.
Ube you sumi no na ba ko.
Oh me no.
You sumi.
Say ma sukulut. So
Zen food spices.
Yeah, to so remember sukulut
flavor. Sukulut flavor. Yeah. You sukulut. In the car so when you flavor no. Aye.
When your friend tukus.
Na say we do Zen food spices. Egu wo chicken no my friend say
tukus.
Inte say when you tukus flavor no.
Okay. Me can share.
We can hear. Yes, Benny.
I like it.
And me now be winning you know say and then me abedi dey. You okay ma? Inte here salt to be a. What say Zen food spices?
Zen food spices I'm believing it it has some the tukus flavor now.
The tukus flavor now
okay. Okay. But if you want to go the extreme or the extra now, obe add this small salt. And you pim. Cause pim. You add pim salt.
Pim salt.
Like pim.
We okay.
Me I know my happy.
Okay.
I always imagine wrong.
Debbie. What
pim bioso.
Pim.
A good journey can
Yanko. What pim? Payment yanko. Pim la chicken.
Pim.
Okay. Fawade kafra why?
Yeah.
Kafra fun. Kafra.
You add pim flavor no ko count sana. Na ye tukus. to give you the stookust. Yeah.
Funny, you mate. We okay?
Me a normal.
Oh, I mean, you say nothing.
Oh, my boots are for you. Come on, granny. It's almost showing me any busy. You have your own shamies as that. But
when you taste the same,
in
2 foods, they say taste na epe.
Sir.
Can't I mean, sure.
You like it?
I like it. So I like it. Yeah, I like it. We okay.
Me back me best me na menwa.
But maybe we just say
fine.
It was for yeah, Suzy nam no come and I no answer. And our chicken is soft and him say no.
Yeah.
Then again, what's next?
We start cutting the how do we call it?
The vegetables.
The vegetables, yeah.
It is say they're blending
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, what we do is that because I don't want no near blending no because the blade is very big and it's trying to see.
Yeah.
But coming to do this one, what we do is that we to try to get
we to try ujene mamembo. Ujene nkete.
Boa me.
Say they fried rice na.
Yes.
You
know, and then the obe to chum get. Oh.
Wo fried rice no yen tintin mo.
I'm yen tintin.
Oh,
to the try the anything na mu say bi share wo na ahye no.
Na me ma okay, mate. Me so metumi atwitwa ne say ama. Wo twitwa ne say ya. Said the enim no a ye dey fried rice. Any. And
there any formula bia
there wo be je na bia be kwa je ni. Me say na nim say. Utwitwa ba go so
so na me je say we are me female version. Did the me many no we any be.
Okay.
But the same sukum.
It's the same sukum. Sukum and spat.
The reason why I think women are blessed near these are the little things. What I say, Oba Echucha is very sexy to me.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No, Swanoka, baby, help me.
Yeah, baby, give me a tissue.
Give me a tissue now and a hand. No,
I say, what's need? And I say, when you get.
Okay.
And now I'm in to charge in.
Me was serious fiancé.
Who is serious fiancé says he?
But trying.
Hey. Wow.
Yeah.
On McBrown's kitchen?
Yeah.
Funny face is not available. And
oh, it depends on the occasion. I can be available. I cannot be. Don't spoil market for me.
And that day, now McBrown meet my own meter. And you beer, me and my cofanaba. Fried rice, so beer was said your penny carrot.
Nana, carrots, no. Ebi mu chicha.
Okay.
But yeah, me person was slide up, who was slide
up.
I to slide the mommy.
Men slide
the mommy, and man is some stukus taste.
Okay.
And I was no chicha. That's all make sure all the second baby one we see. No, level, no we try a hanegu.
Okay.
We try a hanegu negu. I don't know, your friend stukus.
And then tennis stood no one and the man now. They are some
stukus or bookum.
Oh, my heavy, this is what I have a queen. I am man samba. Into the air pass.
Mezaba from one from Mezaba.
Obasaba.
No, to an Uber channel kitting.
Okay.
I don't know telecum.
Telecum, no.
There be telecum near Johnny Dean, telecum, a channel.
Mate. Mate.
Oh, what's them to channel? Channel, oh, channel.
What's a man slide carrot? No,
I slide the mammy.
I am when you call nam no.
And nam no. What's that? Me use soft chicken.
Okay.
And soft chicken no. Oh, yeah, a better tea. I've been to Miss Doom Jan Mammy.
And Doom Jan. Okay. A Doom Jan. Doom Jan.
You know who you are, a son beans are now. What's that to see me one?
I
like it. It's too sweet.
Where's I don't see a friend saying?
Oh, yeah, open once. Oh, yeah. We had to say we are not Utesisha, Nasa the Iron Swap. And also, yeah, in Kitikiti in Dindi. Say, if yes, I know you're in Kitikiti in Dindi.
A being sign getting in Dindi.
Dindi says, I come, be out in hand, Kitikiti in Dindi.
Na funny.
Yeah.
Cow and chicken, what jay with TV swana?
They have been jay.
Away.
Baba, me took one kakra.
Okay.
Me buy no. I see me restructure near ma. Na me the baby.
Me sure we show our organize here.
Yeah.
And collab program now we know.
Yeah.
I'm shocked at how and collab.
Yeah, I record sometimes 40,000 kids, 30,000 kids, 35,000, 25,000. Yeah, the least number I'm recording, my kids were 22,000.
Wow.
Based on the ticket sales.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So naturally, I think it's a gift that God gave me, and it's my ministry.
Yeah.
So I need to take it very personal and serious. See, I bet you try and namano.
I bet you try and think.
We know for kids will become. Said about namano dos woman. What's that? Fried rice with, beef and chicken. What they are? And say namano come more. And the money flavor.
Fried rice na here no. Yeah, the beef never. Now who is better? I will just na seka no na maybe.
Yeah, perfect.
Wow, I will say for. Yeah, you try nam na we funny. Yeah, go so. Yeah,
oh yeah. Call your name.
And I will say for telekum patakum fried rice. And I say, yeah, you won't catch your vegetables and your meat na we no. And nam no. Bam, to after say 2.
My share 2.
Okay.
Is that so money too much? You too much, but also mama. You too much. And my flavor no. And I put. Yeah.
Matthias, yeah. We here be see her. Now afa. Enti ye de nam no be correct. Me tell you say how no aduane pa.
Yeah.
Okay. Mama me.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, fried rice no eguso a ye ko. Yeah. Na
Chi. Eze chikakra na me de minazin beef.
Okay.
What I say? Minazin beef spices. Eguso.
Minazin
beef spices.
Flavor no.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Say spice, minazin food spices.
Yeah.
The beef flavor no any. Inti no be kwa o beef ne ho.
Beef no.
Wow. The fried rice na dey eguso na eguso.
Oh yeah. Aba ye we ni bin a chi we na ye fan a ansa na ye di we no. Bibia begum 1 by 1.
Ye di bibia be den
1 by 1.
Ye di bibia begum
1 by 1.
And one no.
Say calculation.
Calculation. Bedo.
You like it?
Bedo ba. Okay.
I like it.
You like it?
It is good.
It is good.
Yeah. But, mommy,
stock no
kakra. We say endorse. Anti-man zakesi.
Any ajuwe. Oba the stock no kakra. Awono.
Ebe mano. The friend Stukus flavor.
Stukus flavor. Okay, stock.
Now because we hear that the end no. Want me friend tree.
Makaja no what tiasamase.
Nti we fa dua.
Na se wa ka fra.
Wa fa dua na wa ka fra.
Fried rice, na beef fried rice na egusu no.
With chicken.
With chicken. So I wouldn't papa cow and chicken.
Only na na call ba.
Cow and chicken.
No wa dwen ba.
Cow and chicken.
Santo fa no ma.
Cow and chicken.
Aye, chicken. Oh, be ni chicken. Oh, mo nu ba ko be so tie nkuma dada. Oh, my DJ ni mama.
Sa.
Nkuma dada ye de sa. O ma me de sa, o de sa. O papa de. O nyansa wo mto. Am jejum. Make them.
I don't know what you're doing. And so, what?
Tie.
Okay.
I like it.
Sabato.
Happiness. Ede semme. Obe de wa. Aye, children president. Aye. Toshiba. Ekuma dada. Dada. Ekuma dada. Au dada. Yeah, dada. Oma me de sa. O papa de sa. Dada. Aye, dada. Hello, dada. Oma me de sa. Atopangwa de sa. Aye. Aba. Ay, dada. Hey, dada. Aye, dada. Dada. When you go to school, read your book. Don't go and fight. Don't go and play. Learn, go and try. Learn. Obey dance. Obey say. Obey nano. Obey nano. Yeah, it's an educational song for the children. Dada. Yeah, dada. Yeah. Dada president. President.
Thank you, Mr. DJ.
I say what? When you go to school, read your book. When you go to school, don't go and dance.
Debbie.
Don't go and play.
Debbie.
Learn. What's the answer?
So wait there. Can you more?
Wait. What do you?
Can you? Se say that's a nso ni nyina afri ho kama.
Ni nyare kama.
Ai. I was for star na fani face dey no ade no. Ni kan keke.
Asho.
Na hye me say. Fani you doing?
Nse se ano. Ye be bokosua na gum.
Ewusia for ye kosua no na yi kama.
Inshallah.
Yes. Fani ju kosua fried rice no. And na ekon ti no. Kosua na ekọ fried rice nim. All right. Into kosua ni we pede na eba.
Kosua ni we pe. You better fire more. What does it? But what check my resume?
I been.
Oh, okay.
Hi, sis. I am. I come up. I come up. Oh, I shame me.
I show. Kafra. I like the way you are real. Also be ashina go be beef ni show no kind. We fi show kind.
Oh, into what can go see anafra. Emo ne beba.
Emo ne beba.
Okay. Into emo no anya mrepi.
But you one.
Yeah, you are.
The basic necessity, the fundamentals is that the rice should uproot one by one. What is that? Perfect. I think what is happening is that I think it can even go.
Yeah.
I was thinking.
Asho. Asho. Kafra. Oh, say, Amcom. I'm going to man a chair.
When is your Amcom?
I went to Amcom.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You been no mamma nafra.
You been no mamma nafra. Yeah, the soya sauce, no. Kitwabi. Because you need to change the color.
You need to change the color, no? Okay. Yeah.
Sa 2.
Mensa 2. Amount. Oh, okay. 2.
Debbie, for 1 count.
For 1 count. And I'm in toast 1.
Yeah.
7 and
1, yeah.
What's your batch chicken? No, me boy.
You bet you chicken. But you no boy, I'm not minchi.
Mammy, pay away free.
That's it. I'm in show.
Pay away a baha.
You know, I air to say, I winner in your mark. And your friend, kitty, indeed. That's a way to do. Never share and 1 man that you're cheering them. Now, you know, when you now be 1 by 1.
Vegetables, no.
Thank you.
1 by 1. Followed by my bro.
Yeah.
My bro, come before I come from. Come on, dear friend. Ade. I bet it is, Ade.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I'm not in room.
And I'm not in well. Come on, no, yes, I won't in you okay.
Okay.
I mean, who said beer? You be free and then my boy, my wire. Okay, we should have say no. Emo no ye be chicken. Na tre say. De ye nyina no. Edi awodo aye to aduane. Ene ade nyina na.
Simple name so.
Matias.
Edina na ngazantinde. Tilikum empatakum.
Patakum papa me mfantum.
Mfantum bro. Tilikum empatakum. AKA Sapostingi Sapoa. Na sa wonu ani nya wie na ya brown say ya your friend no nkitikiti indindi.
Ya nam no na ya chia no. The fried rice na are you ready? Wow. Adofo. Momo ami ani entwe homrai. Enko ba bia o. Enko ba bia. Me dia seda kese ma high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. High sense. Ya tete TV so. World Cup.
Ya tete say. Who?
Ya person bia tobi. No bia timi hwe ball. No hwe ne clear. Sa na dia seda ma tasty Tom. Tasty Tom. More jollof. Good for you. Delay mackerel and delay sardine. And netinapa. Oh, we are now the concomun na mobile. She delay chira kwan. Hey, just a word in your bo. Delay mackerel, delay sardine. And a minazen food spices. Funny face, well, she have minazen to see a good animals. Me kasha me to say. Taste womb a minazen. Oh, Indomie instant noodles. Indomie wabe bia market bia mu. Indomie ho. Ebenya show. Edi ade amani ni bumfu ye. Ebenya show. Indomie wa ya market your flavors ahudo nyina your chicken, your onion, your pepper chicken. Indomie wo just be bia sima kakra bi na aben. Adofua mumwame ye twa ho sesi aba. Asida enkoma awake purified water so. Ye ba sesi a.
Wo mabusia mu no. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusia no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti e ba na aduane no ade a. Me use so tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi die bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we so be use enriched tasty Tom tomato mix of vitamins and fiber wo mu. Tasty Tom emediane ye de eyema wo so.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Me ti ase anu ntrese ye ntimi hwe bi. High sense TV wo we. Ye ba hwe na ya hwe no clear.
8th April, I copy World Cup na wiye.
High sense TV bia, size bia, ya tete so ama mo say. Enu na waka no. Say, high sense dia, wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko tobi, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What show high sense TV so therefore? And fair. TV I will tell you about 5 years warranty there. High sense ne de buy you. Ne da suchia. High sense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Mommy, me how?
I don't know what anybody was saying.
Me na biane me kulu oni.
That's fine. It's a band out here, Biane.
Dia ko ba so ye bi na me.
Oh, I can say one now. I mean, catch it up. Menazen food spices. And no na sisi a air chicken. Wo ba pa bia ese se wonye bi wo kitchen. Se de be ya wo bintimi kwajuku. What I say? Na ya da be obefi ha wo didi. One way. Menazen jollof flavor. Menazen chicken flavor. Menazen fish flavor. Now the other devil, any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazen food spices. What shema warrior man.
Mentanasi. Now will be new kum if it's with menazen. Any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Say ye kan yen sabo mu a eno na ekire se ye baako eno na ekire se ye gina ho ye gitum ye kabom ye baako efri se yen sakabom mu a yen akoma enso akabom na se yakoma bobo mu a nyama intumi nyeye tumi ye Awake purified drinking water bottle baku biara a wo betono. Yedi sikano bibua National Cardio Center. Ewo kolebu. Casa Preco Company Limited. Insano ejuma pa baku ni. Awake purified drinking water. One for life.
Delay sardine, peche like that.
McBrown's Kitchen, Ediane pa ede. Adofo, and net me se me penamashia. Funny face fried rice no. Said yes, ya set in me giddy say by day, even though someone wouldn't funny that Mr. Happiness. The casa dorso, nasa dorso, na broad dorso. And net you know the buy no. Or say fried rice. Tilikum patakum fried rice, aka sapostingi sapoa, into bracket, inkitinkiti, indindi. Someone to me. Mami pass the tasty tom tomato mix. Aye, it's so good for you. And a delay mackerel and delay sardine. Hey, nampa don't penim peche like that. Sanete Indomie instant noodles. Aye, noodles de obedia the Indomie jaso Indomie ahodi wom na de nkeka se wanya o pepper chicken no. Oh, and na monuma no hu say ehhehyew kakra ede. Wa also betum the vegetables are one Indomie. Aye, Indomie instant noodles. Me pa cho minazin food spices. Ediani minazia memkafani face inkiti indindi kandi ankaba akase yendi minazia food spices and some high sense everyday prices for everyday people now awake there we high sense or media guha a chile mama ma drink kran san kan ho ai mama serve mama chile me chile funny face.
Yeah. Thank you.
Me chilo. You like orange or you like apple?
Give me apple.
Apple. Then I'll take the orange. Funny.
Yeah.
That's a pass about McBrown's Kitchen. Yamin show. Too much.
Yeah.
Inkiti. Indindi. Aye. Me am semepe. Now one share.
Yeah.
Adiania obeye. McBrown's Kitchen. Funny. Dia dance me boa katam sana na sesi aboa.
Yeah.
McBrown's Kitchen any cooking show back but na said the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
Show back kwa. E what TV so a ye de ani de Emma guest. E san so muso de ani de ma e to sa from no mu bad ya. Yes you pese e kire mu say. Me ne me sponsors say pese e kire mu say. Ye da no ase because na nkitinkiti indindi. Obi be ye bi obi asua bi afrim.
Yeah.
Tasty Tom. Delay, mackerel, minazin food spices, Indomie instant noodles, high sense, and awake purified water. And then you was shock price amount.
Sir?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Oh, me I tell you right now, you know.
Yeah.
Now, first one. Indomie! Indomie instant noodles. Then the guano.
Indomie instant noodles contains dried vegetables, Into bracket Oriental fried noodles.
Sanet.
Araha. Araha.
First see her mommy.
Thank you.
First see her mommy.
Mommy Jina, where the mommy Jina?
And yeah, no, Sam, mommy.
Yeah.
Funny. But you were so cosiso. But you were cosiso.
Hey!
Tasty Tom!
Tom, I like it.
More jollof.
I can't wait.
Tasty
More
Tom.
jollof, yeah.
Tomato mix.
Oh, yeah.
And now go just on one to Tasty Tom now to be yeah. And wow, was some.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't ya color room so your natural color. If you know, if you Tasty Tom pet.
Yeah, go.
Delay, macro, and sardine. Come on,
like that.
Come on, dear.
Delay, macro, and sardine. Peche like that.
Nampardon venom.
Peche like that. Yeah, I like it.
If you delay or pet.
Oh, wow.
Minazen food spices.
Oh, I like this show.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Minazen food spices.
I don't know the war, beef.
Beef, no.
Yeah.
T-shirt shim, apron shim.
Oh.
All flavors.
Wow. Oh, thank you. This I like this show.
You like
this show? That's
me, but first answer. You are disqualified. When you buy a copy, why disqualified? Now you pay new year.
I'm missing me.
High sense. Sound.
Hey, I like it.
High sense. You put that back on your friend. I'm come. Oko high sense showroom now. Who I'm come. Nina and Tafor no. I'm come. Now I'm come no. Where iron? And son of a satchel gas cooker.
Oh,
funny face.
This is
Minyaude.
Unya mi deni. Uya bwe.
Nanama.
Minyaude. Uya bwe.
McBrown's kitchen.
Minyaude. Uya bwe. Oh.
Anyway.
Me
your mama no about
let me feature okra.
Debbie me
Debbie. All right.
Then Debbie. Onyum pa de Debbie.
Yes anymore.
Fatima mama. Fatima mama.
What's why you?
Minyao. Na say onyum.
The new money to desire baby.
But see mama.
I like it.
High sense.
Oh yeah.
For gas cooker and iron coffee.
Oh wow.
Na funny. Fakotonia. Na funny brehade. If you have sense of soap,
yeah.
Me patch only monsieur.
Oh, awake natural mineral water.
Awake purified water.
Purified, yeah.
Purified water.
Yeah. Minimum company.
So when you say awake, a donation, Emma Kolebu,
I can't do. Everyone but to be able to be and it goes a long way to help somebody with their heart.
Thank you so much. What?
Yeah.
I mean, sure. You're born by, and then they be a one, they be an etchnebino. Now also wakuma.
Oh, yeah.
No. Yes, say to awake no. Then save for future.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
Inti awake. Yes, spice with royal drinks. Whatever.
Yeah.
Take us a prebu. Awake no royal. Inti funny. Nyama we nyina your dia.
Oh wow.
Oh yes.
I like it. Let me tell your sponsor something. For this thing they've done.
Yes.
Your show, I will never stop coming here.
You never stop watching or tell people to not stop watching?
Yeah, I'll never stop watching. And my mother too is a cook, I'm telling you. Let my mother come. You know, after my mother, my sister too come.
There be.
The
Quatnas in the end. Yan Sawate. Yan.
Let my mother.
Oh, mother, Obano, once or boss on you, maybe. And our activity.
Mother, the million.
Okay. Trust. Hey, funny face.
I'm proud of your sponsors.
Thank you.
For this thing they've done.
Bro, anymore.
The children of Kaswa won't sleep tonight.
They will enjoy. Royal drink, right?
Of course.
Wow. This is the edition.
Yeah.
Edition. Funny be so mama was am 7 me.
Sure.
This is the edition. Now edition do so sanwa. When be who can so Nancy what da. The no and I ready no. Aduane na do so. Minjinsu no. Be odi no so an FSC ho.
Yeah.
Wow, funny face fried. Oh, where shamo funny.
You like it?
Yeah, the beef fried rice.
This is what we call tilikum and patakum.
Yes.
Into bracket sapostingi sapowa. Overall
Inkete indindi. The matter na me to me adini na told you. Told you na yem fire chicken na e che ye no.
Yeah.
Enie. Ane.
I like
chicken
it.
No. Funny. Ten susu te.
What the?
Susu te.
Susu te.
Eh.
No brain no day. Baba nyama dia wo mami ni.
Ono awa o kitchen.
Sa.
Na ha dia ya media wo mami ni.
Why are there? Wo dia wo ne remis.
O ma wa ya dia papa.
The friend efu bi.
Efu bi ma me efu
bi.
Ma me bi wa ya dia papa. What me atena ni wa dia.
Tu ko kan to kwa ni aburu mi fi abonte ni ma be fi.
Odufo ni bobro hu vo te ho mai we Yesu bi ma me.
Amen.
Yes.
Odufo momo hu vo wate ho.
Ye di ya fried rice. Ye kan hwe.
Good.
I like it fun.
So the way they delay me.
Everything for. Funny face. Mr. Happiness.
It is a man.
When you are with us, mom.
If I'm home. Because you do
some bedroom.
Send me be sick. To bedroom and let's do a woman. Funny enough, now part of this award, now part of this word, no, if you know, say African general. Oh yeah, yes, people mistake you for a fool.
Yeah.
What I say, but it's up to you to disregard what I say because people will take it for granted. I'm speaking for experience. I've been in industry for this. I've been in Ghana showbiz for the past 10 years. I've been here a longer time to know. Say, people naturally take your leniency to be your weakness. You have to naturally and be happy. That's how I live my life.
Funny, after marriage, life is going to come out.
It is obvious. Life is good. It is obvious. I'm more happier. To God be the glory. Yeah. So.
Wow. Funny face. Because you who's up, who act you, and as a whole bunch more. And now we are banker, we are doing. You found your name. Musician, actor, and I say him, comedian. Because who did not stage a check.
That is because the new materials be about new stand-up materials. So basically, I need to go off as I'm going to do a tour, a stand-up comedy tour.
And to enjoy stand-up comedy.
Stand-up is my first love.
My first love, yes, I say. No,
because well, I need to get materials, and I switched for kids to children. What I say, that is a passion that I have for years. For the past 10 years, I've been doing things for kids naturally with my own money, my own finance. To God be the glory. What I said, donations. Yeah, most definitely. But now, I want to do a pack for them, something like a theme park, like Disney, for kids. That's what I'm working on now. It won't, for starters, it won't be like Disneyland.
Okay.
It will be Ghana land, like
Accra land or
something.
Ghana land,
but with time, I can get it because Disney is like it's a multi-billion-dollar project.
And look, I can't see. I promise on who's I'm disappointed.
No, that's a dream.
That is a dream, but Miss who can say
No.
We are calling.
But
by don't have to go and crying.
You're more penalty. No more Jamestown.
Oh, Jamestown.
What's that clinic?
I know you go to Punya.
Go to a palladium and a
Palladium.
So basically, my lifestyle is more of a gown. I say, me be a bit so and can you be absent? Can you? Because I grew up with them.
One. And McBrown's kitchen, baby.
Oh, how? Mr. More question.
Where maybe some home pill.
Mr. Mia. Oh, not only me.
They say, obey a coffee. Ghana for all the winner.
Bizarre. Oh, bizarre. Oh,
funny winner.
Bizarre.
So 2 minutes and some hammer pa. Until I remember some. Hammer Baba Minim Sebia. Over 30 minutes and 20 minutes.
Mama. Oh, ba, only WhatsApp.
So why?
Remember, go to pan. There are some people when you see them, you don't need, they don't, and that's a catch up.
Anyway.
What does
it say? Buanka, Buddha.
What does it? What's that, Sabi? Nipa dear. Zensem there is here. Obi awo de oka. What does it? The other camera show nyonko. And I become.
No, me per se. Ghana for show. Who assemble could be a person can. So we can't teach you more. Say you be for a year. So what I say? Shall come, Mama. Now, McBrown's getting married.
Okay. Your baby, one, believe in God, believe in your craft, and above all, make sure that you respect every human being as a human being. If you make everything in life, if you make it in life, useless.
Nipa. Bafa no nim. Dia wa kan de wan fa mu abanana ono a wayare dada. 2021 ton kan wayare dada. Ebusuafo McBrown's kitchen ye. Anko a o. Na dia ne pede. Na celebrities no. Omu ba, omu coffee ani die mu. Na ho so obi obeba ha bi oyi na komam say. One Ghana for ever share the kitchen, techniques. Me da sepa, me da mabuafo ase, high sense, everyday prices, everyday people. Me da wake purified water ase. I don't know many. I wake for nyami shramu kasapreko, nyami shramu pa. Sana instant noodles ba kope wodwa so. Ye nyina ye nim said ye tasty. Ya jatum, na emom de tie bia no won sa wo ye papa da bia won namwa na ediwachi indomie de oso ni indomie da Ghana na ne minim o e bia kakra bi enche jaso ahodin wo indomie instant noodles medam wase Minazen food spices ba kope wodwa so Minazen nyame shramo delay mackerel delay sardine ane nampa dompenim peche like that. I was your for I had no name besi. But me come say McBrown's kitchen your third season here. Your third season from beginning of McBrown's kitchen in na our YouTube. But McBrown's kitchen e be yaba. Wo be hwe ni na. Ba bia wo bia so ni maduane no a so ni mu no a. Ye de dwumade eba maamo. Se mo be hwe na ya sesa ye ho. What you say? Never be an entire kitchen crown. Yes, some sanity. Mida, miniamu, more boame, McBrown's kitchen, my home says, me train you every flavors paradise. I need the opera Instagram, boom flavors paradise. And I'm a new makeup every Allegina makeover. Alice will East Legon or by high sense into me pacho P. Con China quite lesson kitten, at the piano river barbecue and him. Next also to me your makeup. It's Legon Juana, high sense for Alice and a nyonyo GH, nyonyo food, nyonyo essential, nyonyo American house traffic light no, and chen wa wobu a oka jinga no ubo se dank CNS one, nyonyo wa down. Party na wo ya na den friend nyonyo no be show ho ma wate. Me the apple pie publicity for us say. So me billboard SCC join baby a. Just na me nam na me hu ana me ni age. Se wo pese obi ye branding mawa design graphics biano hwehwe apple pie publicity chap kwai na bomi di no mu discount sa na La Palm Royal Beach Hotel and client hotel ba kopa wo kwa ye show ye yeso so krokro na unya de open na wow I was about Midiane Nana McBrown ane Nana Ama McBrown aka Mrs. Mensa into bracket Empress. I Empress.
Said yeah. Silikum patakum. AKA Sapostingi Sapoa. Into bracket Inkitikiti Indi.
Mr. DJ, are you there? I better what you kakana bufom.
Yes, I will. Ya pocho.
Let's go.
Mr. Happy. Ayo, boom. Ayo. Boom. Ayo.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here? Yet to know, get it bow. So, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen.